ಶ್ರೀಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಅರ್ಥಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯಂ ಶಾರದಾ ಶುದ್ಧಚಿತ್ತಯೇ ದೇಶಕಾಲಮಿತಿಂ ಜ್ಞಾತ್ವಾ ರಚಿತಂ ಅರ್ಥಸಂಗ್ರಹಃ. Goddess Lakshmi is known as the god for wealth and economics. The goddess Saraswati or Sharada is known for the pure education and sound mind. Knowledge of economics is enhanced with the grace of both goddesses. Here, some stanzas or poems are formed on economics. They are based on place, time, and other limitations. प्रणमामि सद्गुरुं तत्र अर्थशास्त्रादिकारणं. प्रणमामि सद्गुरुं तत्र अर्थशास्त्रादिकारणम्. अलौकिक लौकिकार्थाय रचितं ज्ञानदाहिनम्. I surrender to those who are the authors of economics, who have written and concepts of material as well as non-material concepts for the real students of economics. Pranamami Sadgurum Tatra. I bow, I surrender. Arthashastradikaranam, whoever reason to construct economics for divinity and life. It is formed, economics is formed for divinity and for the livelihood. And this is formed for Jnanadahinam. Rachitam Jnanadahinam. Jnanadahinam means who are all interested. For them, this book is written. Vrudyarthe Vyakti Samsthanam Swadeshe Swastajeevitam Yogakshemaya Udyogam Chintanam Arthasangrahe. What is studied in economics? Vikase Vyakti Samsthanam. The study of economics is useful for the individual development, financial development, and the development of institutes, growth of domestic kingdom, and to lead a healthy life for the individual, financial life, to enhance the employment opportunities, and thereby welfare of the economy. For these reasons, we have to study economics. Vikase Vyakti Samsthanam. Individual should be improved. Samsthanam should be improved. Swadesh is also should be improved. Swastha Jeevitam, we have to live happily. Yogakshema, Kshemam, Yogakshemam, Udyogam, employment opportunities. Chintanam Arthasangrahe, discussed in economics. Arthashastra Vyakyanam Sampat Kalyana Nyunata Tadeva Shastramadishyam Vruddhiredi Tadatmana. There are 4 kinds of definitions in the field of economics, namely wealth definition, welfare definition, scarcity definition, as well as growth definition. These are definitions that are also reveal the purpose of economics. Arthashastrasya Vyakyanam, the definitions of economics, Sampat, Kalyana, Nyunata. Sampat means wealth definition, Kalyana means welfare definition, Nyunata means scarcity definition. Tadeva Shastramadishyam, that is the intention of introducing this economics. Uddishyam, Vruddhiredi Tadatmana. With all these definitions, we have to improve. That is the growth definition. Thus, there are 4 definitions in the field of economics. Arthenaiva Grihe Shanti Sampat Sadhana Karanam Sapadam Sanchitam Kuryat Saduddeshena Jeevitam. The study of economics supports to enhance the wealth and thereby welfare of individual and the society. Suppose we earn 100 rupees per day, 25 rupees should be saved or donated to the society. Welfare principle. For the improvement of the society, we have to either save or we have to donate 25 rupees out of 100 rupees of earning per day. Arthenaiva Grihe Shanti. Family will be happy with the help of economics. Sampat sadhana karanam. Economics is the root cause for all improvements within the household management as well as the society. Sapadam sanchitam kuryat. Sapadam means 25% of our earning. Sanchitam means saved. Kuryat means to be saved. Saduddeshena jivitam. For a good purpose, for a noble purpose, we have to save 25 rupees of our 25% of our earning per day. स्वदेशे सर्वसंपर्कः अर्थेनैव सजीवति. भोगोत्पन्नविचारेऽपि समष्टिः सूक्ष्मयोजनम्. All kinds of communication are done through economics. In the context of consumption, production, we have to plan under two heads like micro planning and macro planning, or microeconomics and macroeconomics. अनुभोगश्च उत्पन्नः व्यापारं विनियोगिता योजना राजकोषेण षष्टकं क्रियम् आर्थिका. There are 6 kinds of economic activities, namely consumption, production, exchange, distribution, public finance and planning. Anubhoga means consumption, Utpanna means production, Vyapara means exchange, Viniyogita means distribution, Yojana means planning, Rajakosha means public finance. There are 6 economic. Shashtakam means 6. Kriyam Arthika. There are 6 kinds of economic activities. Kriyam. Arthika means finance, means economics. Anubhogantu द्विधा प्रोक्तं संख्याधारित सत्क्रमम् औदासीन्यं स्थिरश्चात्र द्विक्रमम् आशादायकम्. There are 2 kinds of consumption, namely cardinal utility theory, which is based on numbers, and ordinal measurement of utility theory of consumption, which is based on orders. Ordinal measurement contains indifference curve analysis and a reviewed preference theory of consumption. Anubhoga means consumption, Dvida means 2, Proktam means it is said. Sankhyaadharitam and Satkramam. Sankhyaadharita means based on numbers or cardinal measurement. Satkrama means ordinal measurement. This is the meaning of this poem. Utpadana vibhageshu avanati unnati sthira. Krame nimnascha peenascha sarala rekha cha bimbakaha. There are many kinds of theories in the field of production, namely increasing marginal return, constant marginal return, decreasing marginal return. In the ordinal measurement theory, producer's equilibrium and production possibilities curve and least cost combination. And latest one is linear programming. Utpadana means in the field of production, Utpadana vibhagetu avanati, unnati, sthira. There are 3 kinds of returns. Avanati means diminishing, unnati means increasing, sthira means constant. In the field of ordinal measurement, there are 2 kinds. One is nimnascha, peenascha, sarala rekha. There are many kinds, but generally there are 3 kinds. One is nimnascha means indifference curve analysis, peenascha means production possibilities curve. Another is sarala rekha bimbaka means linear programming techniques. So thus there are 3 mainly important techniques in the field of production. This is the meaning of this stanza. निरुद्योग निवारार्थे द्विकार्यं कुरु सर्वदा. स्वसहायेन सत्कार्यं त्यागभावेन जीवनम्. If anyone is interested to remove unemployment, 2 things should be kept in mind, namely seriously, that is wholeheartedly, cooperative movement in any field with marginal profit, and give space to sacrifice to support others with only 1 job per person per family. If you want to remove unemployment, nirudyoga nivaranarthe, dvikaryam, 2 kinds of work to be done always. Swasahayena, swasahaya means cooperation. Cooperation with marginal return, not maximum return. Satkaryam tyagabhavena, do good, noble things for sacrificing certain things to the society automatically. And very important to note that give space to sacrifice to support others with only one job per person per family. Tyagabhavena Jivanam, automatically unemployment will be eradicated. Vastu vinimaya sandarbhe anekam avalambakam मौल्यन्तु देशकालादि संग्रहः याचकाश्रितः. There are many development factors in product exchange, maybe during demand or supply, namely price, place, time, storage of goods, consumer taste, habit, preference, advertisement, so on and so forth. Many factors are influencing on product exchange. Vastu vinimaya sandarbhe, during the time of exchange of goods with the people, anekam avalambakam, there are many factors are dependent. Which are they? Maulyam, maulyam means price. Desham means desha means place. Kala, kala means time. Sangraha means storage of goods. Yachakashrita means dependent on the taste, habit, preference of the consumer. Thus, product exchange dependent on many factors. There are 5 kinds of elasticities of demand, namely price elasticity of demand, income elasticity, cross elasticity, present value, as well as advertisement elasticity of demand. Each one has 5 types of elasticities, namely perfect elasticity, imperfect elasticity, more elasticity, less elasticity, and unitary elasticity of demand. Sthitistapakam iti proktam. Elasticity is said. Pancha panchadi vardhanam. 5 multiplied by 5. 5 into 5. Each one has 5 divisions. Maulyam adaya vakradi vastavyam janakarshanam. Maulya means price elasticity of demand. Adaya means income elasticity of demand. Vakradi means cross elasticity of demand. Vastavya means present elasticity of demand. Janakarshana means advertisement elasticity of demand. There are 5 important types of, in general, types of elasticities of demand. And in each case, we have 5 types. That is perfect, imperfect, more, less, and unitary elasticity of demand. Spardhate paripuranascha alpadhirghadimapanam anante sthiralabhaya unnati avanati sthira. There are 2 kinds of pricing under perfect competition, namely short time pricing, which is consisting of supernormal profit, normal profit, and stage of loss. And during the long period, long time pricing, namely normal pricing. Neither supernormal profit nor loss, only they get normal pricing. Spardhate paripurnascha. Paripurna means perfect competitive market. Alpa dirghadi mapanam. There are 2 kinds of timings. One is alpa means short time, dirgha means long time. So we fix the price based on the 2 periods, short period and the long period. Anante sthiralabhaya. Anante means in the long run, only one type of pricing, that is sthira, constant. That is normal pricing. Unnati avanati sthira. During the short period, 3 types. Unnati means increasing profit, another avanati means decreasing profit, sthira means constant profit. Anante sthira labhaya. In the long run, only one type, and remaining is unnati avanati sthira. Remaining is short period, that is in supernormal profit and normal profit and stage of loss, 3 kinds. Ekaswami sadalabham deshakaladyatah param तारतम्ये देशकाले param sadhyam trivartulam. There are 2 kinds of pricing under monopoly, namely short time pricing, which consists of 3 pricing, namely supernormal profit, normal profit, and the loss. But in the long run, it is only one type, that is supernormal profit, irrespective of time, based on price discrimination policy. Ekaswamye sada labham deshakaladhyatah param. Ekaswamye means in monopoly, anytime we expect only supernormal profit, irrespective of time, place, etc. Taratamye deshakale param sadhyam trivartulam. During short period of time, due to price discrimination, three kinds of possibility, namely trivartulam means increasing, decreasing and constant returns. That is supernormal normal profit and the loss. सूक्ष्म उद्यम साम्राज्ये चिंतनम अर्थकौशलम नैतिकम श्रद्धा तंत्रांशः समाज उद्योग योजनम. The world of small scale industry MSME should consider the following: smart, mind, skill elements, namely morality which works in the long run, dedication to duty, bit of technological know-how, social and local employment support, good planning. All those things are required to start MSME or small scale industries. Sukshma Udyama Samrajye means in the field, in the empire of small scale industry, Chintanam Artha Koshalam. We should be very careful about economics. Naitikam, morality is very essential. Shraddha, concentration is very important. Tantramsha, bit of technology. Samaja, you have to concentrate on the society. And Udyoga Yojanam, you have to plan for employment opportunities. Spardha tu dvivida proktam अपरिपूर्णंच पूर्णता. एकम द्वि बहु मिश्रादि अपूर्णंच चतुर्विधम. There are two types of competitive markets, namely perfect competition and imperfect competition, which is of four types, namely monopoly, duopoly, oligopoly, as well as monopolistic competition. Spardhate dvivida proktam. There are two kinds of competitive markets. One is perfect competition, another is imperfect competition. Perfect competition has no types. Imperfect competition has four types. Ekam means monopoly, dvi means duopoly, bahu means oligopoly, mishradi means monopolistic competition. Apurnancha chaturvidham. So, imperfect competition has four types or four divisions. गतिशीले स्वदेशाय निरुद्योग निवारणे सूक्ष्म उद्यम समृद्धिः कुशल अल्पधनं व्ययः. There are many uses of small scale industry, mainly removal of unemployment, less investment, skill enhancement, less expenditure, support to big industry, local economy, development, so on and so forth. Gatishile Swadeshaya Nirudyoga Nivarane. For the improvement of state government, local government or within the country, we have to eradicate unemployment. For this purpose, we have to use the technology of small scale industry. Sukshma Udyama Samruddhihi. Small scale industry will enhance development. Kaushalya means skill. Alpadana Vyaha with the less investment. So thus, small scale industry is a gift for the investment is the meaning of these stanzas. Thank you for watching.